Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Love by Chetan and today we're gonna install the Car HD ROM on the Galaxy S6 Edge, and it is the most unusual ROM that I've seen for the Galaxy S6 Edge out right now. So we're gonna install it today, and before we get started I would just like to say, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share the video. And once again, do subscribe to the channel and help us reach our goal of 1000 subscribers really soon. So let's get into it. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off our device. And we're gonna go into the custom recovery, and to do that we're just gonna press volume up key, home key and power key at the same time. And now we're gonna let go of the power key. And we're gonna go in wipe, and we're gonna select advanced wipe. We're gonna select the Dalvik ART cache, system, data and cache, and we're gonna swipe to wipe. And we're gonna go back and we're gonna go and install, and we're gonna select the Car HD ROM version 30.3 over here, and we're gonna swipe to confirm flash. So the ROM comes with the Roma installer, so you can customize your ROM according to your needs. So we're gonna do a full wipe next, and you can select the CSE that you want. So I'm gonna find the India one because it fixes the VoLTE problem as far as I know. So I'm just gonna search if there's the India one. So we have the INS India over here, and we're gonna select that and next. And you have to choose your GPS as well. This is new for me and I don't really know what it does, but I'm gonna select India over here once again. Next. And you can customize your ROM from over here, so you can choose to have the data usage when you pull down. So I'm just gonna disable it, and if you want to have the LTE logo instead of the 4G, I don't really care about that, so that I'm not gonna install. Then you have the multi-user support that I'm not gonna install as well, and I'm not gonna mess with this Wi-Fi password as well. So next. And my device is the G925F, so I'm gonna select that and next and next. So the ROM is installing now, and we're just gonna wait for it to install. So the ROM is installed now, and it does say that the device may take a few minutes to start, or it may boot loop for a couple of times. So we're gonna select next over here, and we're gonna reboot the device now. And you have this Samsung startup animation over here, so we're just gonna wait for the device to boot up, and it may take some time. And as you can see, it just started once again. So this is the boot loop that the ROM was talking about. So we're just gonna wait for it to boot up, and just keep it aside. It will take 5 to 10 minutes, so just keep it aside and relax. So guys, the device finally booted up, and we're just gonna quickly set it up. And I do like the look of the status bar over here. You have a nice battery icon over here, so we're gonna just quickly set it up. So the device is all set up right now, and it comes with a little bit of the S8's launcher. It looks a little bit like the S8 launcher with the S6 Edge's wallpaper right behind it, and you do have a nice battery icon over here, and I really like that. So you have the S8 themed status bar over here, the status bar menu over here, but the VoLTE I don't think is working because I don't have the VoLTE logo over here. And settings is like the S8 as well. So we're gonna go in about device, and you have the model number of the S6 Edge. So the ROM is based on the S6 Edge's firmware, I guess, and it is themed like the S8 a little bit here and there. So let's go into the software info, and you have the Android version 7.0, which is the latest version right now. So I think the ROM does not come with the Google Assistant as well. So as you can see, it does not come with the Google Assistant, and you have all the edge features over here. So let me just increase the brightness so you can see. So the ROM looks really good, but it is a little bit slow, but that would be fixed with this reducing the animation scale that I always recommend. So I'm just gonna quickly do that and show you how fast the device gets after doing that. So we're gonna go in developers option, and we're gonna reduce the animation scale to 0.5x, and immediately phone feels much faster. As you can see, it feels much faster and it looks much faster. So I think that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share the video. And thanks for watching, guys.